KHADC unanimously resolved to recall the KHAD Khadc Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 during the special session of the Council today. It was also resolved to allow the Executive Committee to constitute a committee which will comprise members from both ruling and opposition to fine-tune and rectify the defects in the bill before it is reintroduced in the House. Earlier, KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchngan and SAIM had tabled a report of the Advisory Committee headed by Senior MDC Bindo Matthew Lanong on its recommendations to the views and observations given by the Law Department on the Clan Bill.
Kung wala kang pao, kasi nagkalian tayo, ni Ajimut, si Ikam, balik-balik, at kita muli at isi. Ini mismo bahkan ni ketika interest memiliki barat atau umur di members, but ketika interest jom ipatka jom dari kasih ini. Tadi hiyo ay ketika bill kung kaat nagtraikan yarap sipun kumno bantunnya saat kritik justru ini ABD pun kaca bertubi-tubi bentar. Nomor terkenal semua kasyom hani barat bentar. Lada dia berhak tu bakal long tu ini apa? Lada dia berhak revisit yang review yang tu kasyom agaknya. Dengan semua bantu tu yang kalian lihat kumpulan kita kami pada yang Thailand tentang bahag kami ini kerana bayar kan di kapal rutin yang Thailand hari ini.